We are about to talk about a timing chain. What timing chain can cause in the car is what timing belt can cause also. A timing chain will not cut unless the piston or con rod break. Any motor who have timing chain will have double cam. And timing chain, not everyone know how to say. Timing belt is very easy than timing chain. But timing chain, if you are not don't know what timing chain mean, some cars like this, if you miss this timing, you may bend valve. Some cars like this, if you set the timing well, if you set timing chain, we have so many marks. Just like Oyibo people put it marks, and then they will use yellow paint and show it. If you know it, if you get from first of all, we fire piston, therefore crankshaft. Number one, we fire the piston will come up to the end. We check, make sure that the piston it has come up before you put the timing chain. If it's not set, there is how to. If you get the point, you actually must get the point. If you don't get the point, we see one of the arrow or one of the two arrow that will show it to, that the timing chain has standard at the normal place that is put.